looking to buy a health insurance policy amid the COVID-19 pandemic? You are not alone. Ever since the pandemic broke out, insurers are seeing keen interest in health insurance policies in India, a country that has thus far had dismally low insurance health penetration. Health insurance is a bit of a grey area for most people given the lack of knowledge and confusion over the number of products available in the market. Further, affordability too is another cause of concern. To address these issues, on April 1st, 2020, the Insurance Regulatory Authority of India (IRDAI) mandated health insurers to roll out a standard uniform product called the Arogya Sanjeevani policy, which offers basic coverage and is suitable for first-time health insurance buyers. Several insurance companies have rolled out the policy, which is named Arogya Sanjeevani policy, followed by the name of the respective insurer. Hey guys, this is Prarthana from ClearTax, and in this video, I am going to talk to you all about all you need to know about the Arogya Sanjeevani policy. So let's begin. This is a standard health insurance policy for all, and the features will be uniform across all insurance companies offering it. They are as follows. The premiums are the same across all insurers and areas of the country. Since the product is standard across all insurance companies, it can be easily ported from one company to another. The insurance policy offers coverage of between rupees 1 lakh and rupees 5 lakhs and is available in multiples of rupees 50,000. The sum insured will be stepped up by 5% for every claim-free year, up to 50% of the sum assured, provided that the policy is renewed every year without a break. The policy term is 1 year with premiums payable monthly, quarterly, half-yearly or annually. The policy can be availed individually and as a family floater plan. You can take a policy to cover yourself, your spouse, dependent children aged between 3 months and 25 years, parents and parents-in-law. The policy will not cover children over the age of 18 who are financially independent. Anyone aged between 18 years and 65 years of age can purchase this policy. Over the age of 65, if you already have an existing policy, you can keep extending it, so it is essentially becomes a lifetime policy. The policy covers plastic surgery and dental treatment caused by disease or injury, as well as cataract surgery up to a limit of 25% of the sum assured or rupees 40,000, whichever is lower. 5% co-payment on the total claim amount is mandatory. There is a room rent cap of 2% of sum assured or rupees 5,000, whichever is lower. In case of hospitalization, ICU capping is 5% up to a maximum of rupees 10,000 per day. Insurers cannot offer any add-ons with this policy, as the IRDAI has forbidden them from imposing deductibles or offering riders and variants. Now comes the question, should you opt for this? Well, considering that the confusing cost of health insurance premiums deters a number of Indians who cannot really afford it, this insurance cover is better than having none at all amid an unsteady public health system. Premiums are low as there is 5% co-pay for all ages. If you are earning decently well and can afford health insurance, it is better to get health cover of more than rupees 5 lakhs. However, for people with lower incomes and in smaller towns and villages, especially first-time buyers, this is a simple, no-frills standard health insurance policy that could help you meet any unexpected medical emergency costs. So, are you going to opt for this? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to stay subscribed to Clear Taxes YouTube channel for regular updates on finance, and also give this video a big thumbs up. Stay tuned and take care.